It's coming up to the end of the year and the holidays are upon us. You're going to want to take some time off, and there are 3 things that you need to do in Zoho before you do. And one bonus thing at the end, so stay tuned. Okay, so when you're about to go on leave, you're going to need to let your customers and staff know when you're actually away. So there's a couple places that we can check. First of all, I'm in Zoho Desk. Now, to get to this area, we need to add our holiday lists, so the days of which we are not available. So in the top right, I can click on the setup. And then if I click on business hours, now the holiday hours don't come up directly in this menu, but if I click on business hours, under that sub list, we've got holiday lists just here. So in here, we can go to new holiday list, and then we can select, perhaps this is Australia 2023. Then we can associate the relevant business hours. We're going to select weekdays. And then we're going to come down here and we're just going to go all the way through to December, and I'm going to select 25th. And then we're going to say this is Christmas Day. Okay, and that is for the whole day and nothing else. So we're going to hit add. And then once we've added our holiday, we can then hit save. Now this helps to reflect in different areas, such as the way that SLAs in Zoho Desk are affected. So it will say that given as a public holiday and we're only providing business hour support, so it will not affect or not negatively affect your response times. Okay, so next we're going to go into CRM. And in CRM, to be able to find the holidays, we're just going to go into the settings, and on the company settings, you can see we've got the business hours and we've got the holidays. So the business hours are your consistent Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. And then on the holidays, we're going to select that one. And we can see we've got the holiday details here. So I'm going to go over to create holiday list. I'm going to select that one. We can see 2023 applied to the business holiday calendar, and then we're going to say Christmas Day, and then the holiday date being the 25th of December. Okay, and then we're going to hit save. Are you sure you want to change your holiday list? Yes, proceed. Obviously, you can include multiple holidays, whether you celebrate Christmas, whether you celebrate Eid, whether you celebrate any other kind of holiday as well, then you can chuck those in and it'd be relevant to your region. Now, the last one is simple. If you are an individual, you might want to change when people can book you. So let's go over to bookings here. And I've just gone to settings and general. And then from general, I've been able to select working hours. And in the working hours section, down the bottom, I've got special working hours or time off. So I might add and say, I am going to take the 25th of December and no one can book me. And that is Christmas Day. All right. And then I'm going to save that one. So now that we've done that, there is one last bonus thing that we need to do. And that is to inform your customers that you are actually going on leave. So to do that, we're just going to go, and I'm going to do it from CRM. We're going to go to the grid up here in the top. And we can see all of the applications that you have turned on in Zoho 1. And I'm going to hover over campaigns. Now you could also do this in marketing automation. Now it's much the same. So I'm just going to show us campaigns. Now in campaigns, what we're going to have to do is provide our audience or our customers with a notification that we're actually going on leave. So you might have a reduced activity period. Perhaps there's some days where you shut down. You're going to let them know. So I'm just going to hit the plus button up here. And then I'm going to go to email campaign. From there, I can write my regular email, and then I can give it a name and say reduced activity period. And that will be a marketing topic. Okay, let's save and proceed. Now, the next step is to go and add a subject, and then we can say something like reduced working hours. And then I like to give a pre-header. Now, the pre-header is that second line in the email, and it allows the reader to know kind of what's in the email before they click on it and then open what's in it. So then we might say our holiday working hours. Okay, next you need to set a sender detail and then who the recipients are. So if this is going out to your master list or all of your clients, then you want to select that one. And then on the content, we click on create content. From here, we've got a few options. Now we can go through some saved branded templates. You might want to select a basic template and then design it yourself. But we also have these pre-designed templates. And if I select that one, you can see there's already a Christmassy one, because we mentioned that for us, we're going to be mentioning that we've got reduced activity period over Christmas and towards New Year's. So I can scroll down and I can select any of these. There are a few more. Once I hit show more, we can see there's quite a few templates there to choose from. And I might pick one that says Merry Christmas. I'll select that one. And then from there, you can write some content about the fact that you've got a reduced activity period. Then you just hit proceed. And once you've got all your details in there, you'll be able to send. Now, I'm not going to put these details in because YouTube's going to block me if I show my email address. If you found this video useful, make sure you give us a like, a subscribe, and leave a comment and just let us know what you thought. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you're about to go on holiday, rest up, relax, and come back fresh. Take care, and we'll see you next time.